Internet issues continue to plague some schools across Jamaica. This time in St. Mary, parents, teachers and students are upset with one telecommunications provider for ignoring their pleas to fix the poor internet connectivity there. They're also worried that this might be a big setback for them.
It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. That is how teacher at Karen Hall High School in St. Mary, Jacqueline Newby, describes the internet service in the parish.
Since the 29th of May, our internet has been disconnected due to unlawful removal of the cable wires.
St. Mary High, St. Mary Technical, Highgate and Zion Hill primary schools are all affected as a result of the poor internet access.
Well, I'm currently on my way to my school to apply for sixth term, and I'm kind of worried about how I'm going to access my online classes.
Far away, and it don't only affect Barks River, but Flint River, Essex, as far as to Rosehill, and it affects all the schools in the area because the children cannot get to do the area.
Most times they are offline and they cannot be engaged in the learning process. And when you listen to the news, you're hearing how much broadbands are being installed and how much Wi-Fi is being installed, but here is a forgotten location. Nothing is, yes, it's a forgotten location.
It is also costing them to put service on their phones to access classes. In addition to their dilemma, they claimed they're still getting bills from the service provider.
People in this area, they're not really able to find all the resources in terms of money to buy all this data that costs like $6,000.
I get a bill for $17,000, and we don't have any internet from me, and they have a $17,000 bill to pay.
They have contacted the service provider on several occasions, but nothing has been done. Ms. Newby wants Flo to address the problem as soon as possible.
Sometimes people get redressed when they are boisterous, but when you're calm and you patient and wait, nothing happens. But I really want to encourage the Flow personnel to come in this area and recognize us as people who need redress and people who need resources, because we are just like other humans.
I'd like for them to give us a rebate when they fix the internet and the months that they charge us for.
Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.